Hello everyone, my name is Veer, and in this video we are going to see how we can run the TestNG test in Jenkins. So basically I divided this video into two parts. In the first part we are going to see the demo website that I am referring to, write the test cases, the sample code walkthrough that I had written, and the walkthrough of the integration for the extent report version 4. So quickly I will flip over to the IntelliJ so that we can proceed further. So basically I had created one Maven project where in the pom.xml I have added dependencies for Selenium, TestNG and the extent report, and also I have added a Maven Surefire plugin so that we can run the test using the Maven goals. So for that what I have done, I have added one build node. Under it I have specified the source directory and specified the plugins. Okay, first plugin is Apache Maven plugin, compiler plugin basically, and Apache Maven Surefire plugin. So for the Surefire plugin I have done the configuration where I have specified the testng.xml file. Okay, so this is the basic configuration that I have done in order to run the test using the Maven goal. I will show you how to run basically the command also that we can use to run the test. Okay, so then we will quickly go to our test class. Okay, so in the test class what I have done, I have created one before class method which will execute our it will basically opens our demo website that I'm referring to, and it will perform two tests. One is for invalid login and other is for valid login. And also I have added one failed test case just by asserting uh, by asserting a assert statement. Okay, and in the after class I have quit the driver. Okay, now let's move on to the another class where I have created a extent report. So for this I have used the iReporter, TestNG's default reporter mechanism. So basically it has one override method called a generate report. So I have basically customized that particular method to generate the TestNG report. You can find the same code onto the extent report website. I will also share the repository for the same, so that you will be more clear with this. So basically what it takes, it basically takes the list of suite files and the output directory, and each suite will have its test classes, and based on that it generates a report. So I'm used the same code over here to generate the extent report. So quickly I will run the test both using the testng.xml file and using the Maven goal. So first of all I will run it from testng xml. So I'll just click on run testng.xml. So basically it will open our demo website, that is admin-demo.veritocommerce.com. It will first check for the invalid login password and then the valid login password. Okay, and I have just added one failed test. So okay, now the test has run. Let's see how the extent reports looks. So you can see the extent report, one failed test case, valid login and invalid login. So the three tests are there, and you can see it on the dashboard also. So the dashboard looks like this. Okay, now we will see how we can run the test using the Maven goal. So you just go to the terminal and type mvn clean test. So basically what it will do, it will look for the testng.xml file that we had mentioned in the pom.xml, and it will start executing the test for that. See this. So it will open the browser. So it has opened the browser. Now it will enter the URL that has been mentioned. That's it. So now we have successfully run the test case using the maven command also. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for the second part of this video, where we will see how we can run the same test same code using the Jenkins basically.